Then all girls in her class, no girls in her class, any other girl in her class, some girl in her class. This is why I hate tests like this. 因为都有对. They're all right. 文法的都有对. Jean is taller than all girls in her class. It should be all the girls, but some people say this. Okay. Jean is taller than no girls in her class. Sometimes we say that. 也可以说 Jean is not taller than any girl in her class. 比较强的. Jean is taller than no girls in her class. 也可以. Jean is taller than any other girl in her class. That's probably the answer they want. Okay? Because what they mean is taller than anyone else. Right? So it's anyone else, 它也是有特别的文法, right? How we use it. But Jean is taller than some girl in her class. There's some girl, Jean is taller than she is, right? So probably they want this one here, but with this kind of thing, 100分不行，不用担心。90分很好，95分就很棒 right? 是跟介系词一样 like with prepositions, you can never get them all right. Even for English speakers, people make mistakes. 所以这个问题跟介系词的问题，95真的很棒，90分。Okay? So, now, your health knowledge is greater than I. 好，这边有 I'll break this one down because these are special. I have, yeah. My grammar is better than, I think the camera's off now, right? Okay. All right. They don't usually learn a lot of grammar because they don't learn other languages. So, all right, my grammar is better than an American. Okay, this one has a problem because what are we comparing? How can I compare grammar and an American? So it's a good meeting, right? But what goes next then? What are the other choices? So, yeah. Remember that with questions like this, the GPT, TOEFL 都是一样的。重要的不是哪一个答案是对，是不对的答案，有错的答案，为什么有错 right? That's what you need to understand. So, let's figure this out. Start with making the whole thing. My grammar, remember how we had this? Your book and yours. So, my book is better than right? So, this is the whole thing. When we do this, for these words, we never do this for this idea. This letter here is a good symbol. This symbol. 它的意思说有字母拿错. Right? There used to be letters there. So, Bob's book used to be this. It used. 如果说他的不是有两个三个 Bob, 所以有 Bob's 这样子 right? It's not the plural. 是它的这个意思. So when we do this, that's why we have the apostrophe. 因为这个字母是不见. Okay? Here we can't because yours and yours, they're not the same. Okay? Now, there is a use for that one, but the problem here then is, well, this one we know is just plural, right? This one, well, it's like this one here. How is this one different? 它的意思是什么? 这个跟这个是什么不一样? 为什么? Okay, so it's like this. When we have a word that ends with an S, like S, okay? If I want to talk about Bess's book, do I do that? Because there's already an S sound. So the apostrophe there is to let the reader know, yeah, there's we don't always even say it. Best book, best. Yeah, when we say it, it's hard to know. When the word ends with an S, and we want to add apostrophe S, 3 S's in a row, so we try to avoid that. Even if it's one S, we don't like apostrophe S. So when it's plural, one American, 2 Americans. One American's duh, right? One American duh. 2 Americans duh. That's what this one is for. My grammar is better than most Americans' grammar. So then I could say, my grammar is better than most Americans. Okay? So, 它的问题是比较少用的，但是也是重要的。And wanted to check the time. Okay. He is more diligent, so diligently as, the most diligent as. Right? So he is 什么 then. 有 then, 所以不可以用 as. Right? The most diligent, 不可以用 as. Okay? So with these questions, a lot of times, the best thing to do, find the wrong ones. If you can say, 一定不是他, 不是他, 不是他, 所以答案是这个. Right? That's, and it's also important, if you know the right answer, still look at the wrong answers and think about, 错的答案为什么有错? And if you can explain why, then great. Then you understand it. Okay? So, yeah. If you come against my class again, you can bring examples, and then we can look at them. Okay? So, we're out of time for today, so otherwise I would like to do more. So, yeah, you guys can put your names on there. Oh, was it still on? I should get rid of this now.
It's okay.